Researchers at MIT have built an augmented reality headset that gives humans X-ray vision. This new invention combines wireless signals with computer vision to find items that are hidden from view, and guides the user towards the desired items for retrieval. This new invention, dubbed XAR, relies on a new, flexible, conformal antenna. The researchers designed this antenna to fit on the Microsoft HoloLens without blocking any of its cameras and sensors. The system leverages RFID tags that are batteryless, cheap, and already deployed on billions of items such as apparel, consumer products, and inventory items. First, the user can choose the item that they would like to find in the inventory, for example, a specific t-shirt. In order to find hidden items, XAR sends wireless signals that power up the RFID tags in the environment. The tags then respond back with their unique identifier, even when they are inside boxes or behind other objects. XAR creates a virtual 3D map of the environment. As the user walks, XAR tracks the headset's trajectory and combines it with RF measurements to estimate the location of the RFID tag in the environment. XAR opportunistically leverages the natural human motion to collect measurements from various locations and narrow in on the position of the requested item. When XAR is confident of the location of the item, it is visualized on the AR glasses as a holographic globe for the user. XAR uses the hand tracking technology of the HoloLens and combines the RF measurements with the trajectory of the user's hands to verify if the correct item is indeed picked up by the user. This technology has many industrial and retail applications. In warehouses, XAR can boost efficiency by guiding workers in restocking inventory and packing orders and returns. In retail stores, XAR can help store associates to quickly locate items that might be hidden, enabling them to find misplaced items, fulfill customer orders, and restock shelves. In smart manufacturing, XAR can provide guidance to users by visualizing assembly tasks, labeling tools, and locating specific parts to enhance productivity and reduce errors. Augmented reality with RF perception can change the way we work and interact with our environment, making it an exciting technology with significant benefits for businesses and consumers alike. For more information, check out our website xar.media.mit.edu.